What if you could keep thousands more of your own money next April? I'm going to show you 5 IRS approved tax hacks that are still off the radar for most people and can save you a fortune. Let's get that money back in your pocket. For 2025, there are some big tax law changes you need to know. Whether you're on payroll or running your own business, these moves are legal, powerful, and probably not something your software will find for you. The cap on state and local tax SALT deductions has been temporarily raised from $10,000 to $40,000 for many households. This applies to those with modified adjusted gross income under $500,000, with the benefit phasing out for higher earners. If you own a home in a high tax state, this could mean an extra $30,000 deduction. In the 24% bracket, that's over $7,000 back in your pocket. To lock this in, consider paying your state taxes by December 31st to accelerate the deduction. Starting in 2025, there's a new $6,000 deduction for individuals aged 65 and older, which can be claimed whether you itemize or take the standard deduction. For a married couple where both spouses qualify, that's a $12,000 deduction. This benefit does have income limits, phasing out for single filers with incomes over $75,000 and joint filers over $150,000. For business owners, 2025 is a huge year for writing off equipment purchases. Bonus depreciation has been restored to 100% for assets acquired and placed in service after January 19, 2025. This means you can potentially write off the entire cost of a new work vehicle, computer, or machinery in the first year. Combine this with a generous Section 179 deduction limit, and you can create a massive instant write-off, saving you thousands. If you have a pass-through business like a sole proprietorship or S-Corp, the 20% qualified business income QBI deduction is a must-have. For 2025, you can generally claim the full deduction if your taxable income is below $191,950 for single filers or $383,900 for joint filers. If your income is close to these limits, you can make contributions to a solo 401k or an HSA to stay under the threshold and secure this powerful 20% discount on your business profits. Don't just default to the standard deduction. A few key items can easily push you over the line to save more by itemizing. If you bought a new vehicle, the sales tax alone might be worth more than your state income tax deduction. You can deduct the sales tax using IRS tables, plus the amount for any large purchases. Also, miles driven for charity are deductible at 14 cents per mile. A simple log can add hundreds to your deduction. To quickly recap: 1. Use the new temporary $40,000 SALT cap. 2. Claim the new $6,000 senior deduction if you qualify. 3. Use 100% bonus depreciation for business equipment. 4. Manage your income to maximize the 20% QBI deduction. 5. Check if itemizing sales tax or charity miles saves you more. Now hit that like button and let me know in the comments which hack you're using first.